All right, so I'm sitting here with Daniel Disney in a wonderful British pub. We have brick walls. We have everything going on. This is quintessential Britain. Now, if you don't know Dan Disney is a social media legend. He's approaching 500,000 followers. This man has figured it out while the rest of us struggle. Good for him. Opportunity for us to learn from him. So let me throw it to you, Dan. When it comes to social selling, LinkedIn and all that's related to social selling, because it's not exclusively LinkedIn, what's the biggest question you get asked a lot by people who aspire to have your accomplishments?
So I think the biggest question that I get is almost, how do you do it? How do you get loads of followers? How do you get loads of views on your content? And my honest answer is two things. Authenticity. Be yourself, find your voice, be you, tell your stories, your personal experiences, your work-related experiences. So authenticity is number one. Number two is consistency. You need to show up on a regular, consistent basis. And where a lot of people struggle is they'll do it for a couple of days, maybe a week, and they get sucked back into their daily routine and they miss those opportunities. So be yourself, find your voice, and then do it on a consistent basis.
So what's interesting about what you're saying is they're both valid. There's going to be a lot of people out there right now who say, but I am authentic, and I'm not getting Dan Disney traffic. There's the first part. The second part, I know they're going to be reacting to the consistency thing. They're going to say, oh, yeah, I'm not consistent. Now, here's full disclosure. I am the worst for being consistent. So what I've done is I've created some accountability partners where I held them responsible for their consistency, and they hold me responsible. So how do we do that? Is we monitor each other's feeds. Not just have you posted, but have you contributed to conversations. By the way, you may not have seen this conversation, but it relates to you. You should get on there and converse. I'm just curious, is that something you see ever on that consistency? Because otherwise, people are just going to say, I don't have time.
Yeah, so going back to the point one around about authenticity, there's a third point to that, I guess, which is value. So being authentic is one thing, but making sure your content delivers some form of value to your audience, whether it's through motivation, whether it's through inspiration, entertainment, whatever it may be, whatever you create and put out there, it has to be of some form of value. The consistency piece, I love the accountability piece. I see a lot of mini hubs pulling together where people are helping each other, either support each other's content or prod each other in the right direction where it comes to it. And that's 100% a great thing to do. We're all human. We all have busy lives. We all have busy things to do. So if you can surround yourself with a few people, a group of people that can help you with that, it's like going to the gym. They always say, work out with someone who can help you and keep you accountable to what you're doing. Social's exactly the same.
Fantastic. So there you have it. If you're looking for the secrets of social selling, a lot of it's just hard work, consistency, authenticity, but most importantly, and I love this point, is add value. Likes and shares, so we're clear on this, that's not value. Attaboys, and I'm with you, brother, that's not value. Add value. Educate like you want to be educated. Be transparent like you value in others. Add value, you will have the success. Maybe not as prolific as this man, but certainly far better than you're doing now and more than enough to hit your goals. My name is Darryl. We'll talk to you soon.